I made some faux chocolate candies out of the cornstarch clay recipe that I have underneath my videos. I use these type of molds. If you use these type of molds, you must let the clay air dry overnight before you can turn it over and tap them out before you bake them. And then I made this little square mold of a piece of candy that was in a Valentine's box that I will be using for a craft. And then this heart mold I got from the dollar store. I am just going to use the chocolate drizzle that I made out of Mod Podge and paint. I have a video also on that of how to make the chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry. Watch, it's not coming. And I should know better to store these like that. I'm just going to put a coat of paint on these. A little bit here. This is Mod Podge and burnt umber paint. I'm just going to put a coat on all my pieces. And then once I'm done this, I'll be back and show you when I decorate them. You know how candy is two different colors, like there's milk chocolate and dark chocolate? I'm just mixing a little bit of black in with the burnt umber to make a couple dark chocolate pieces. Okay, now I am going to decorate my candy. It's all dried, and I put a coat of Mod Podge over it. I'm just gonna take my drizzle I made and put a little line across here, because that's what's already marked on the candy. And run it down the side. And I want to clean it up a little bit. So I'm just gonna run my paintbrush down it. Pop the air bubble. Make this a little thicker on the side here. Best as I can with this placemat. So I'm trying to hold it together and trace it out. And then I'm going to cut it out. Okay, I have the heart cut out. And I'm just going to put some hot glue on the inside of my heart. Hopefully it don't melt it. I'm going to push this on the inside. All the way around. And if you're wondering why the rubbing alcohol is there, I used it to remove the permanent marker off the plastic part that when I went around and traced it. So I'm pushing in the placemat that I cut out. It looks really pretty. Pretty color. And then now I'm going to put the lace trim around this, and then I will show you the rest of it. Okay, I'm done putting the ribbon on. Now we're going to finish this project up. We're going to finish our box of chocolates. So what I have is this wooden cutout that I got from a package at Hobby Lobby. It comes with Love, XO, Kiss. So I'm going to hot glue this in. And I'm going to put my love word right here. Hold it down. Let me see how I'm going to do this. I had this planned out, but my brain is, no, that wasn't the one. Is not working. It's like 2 o'clock in the morning. Okay, it stopped recording for some reason again. I don't know what's up with my phone right now. I don't know if it's telling me to go to bed because it's 2 o'clock in the morning or what. But I don't know what you did see and what you didn't see. Okay, so my glue gun, cordless one, died. So I'm plugging it into charge. What I did was I took a magnetic sheet and traced out the heart, and I cut it out and put it on the back of the cart, of the lid, sorry. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side. And then when I'm done with that, I'm going to take these magnets, once my glue gun heats up, and glue them on the back of my chocolates. And then I will be back to show you the results. And here is the final reveal. This is the lid. This is the bottom part for your hot chocolates. I mean, hot chocolate for your chocolates. And then you just pop one out. And there's your magnets to hang stuff on your fridge. Stay tuned for my next video.